I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between.
Hey guys, welcome to my Klippyo review. If you are new here, my name is Imoro, and on this channel I do reviews of new products that are coming up or product that's already on the market. I always get my hands on the review copy to make a review video for you guys. So if you are new here, don't forget to smash the like button and also drop below and hit the subscription button and also the bell icon so that you don't miss any video that I drop. So today we are doing a review of Klippyo. So what is Klippyo? It's a new video creating software which is focusing on social media content. That's for your Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or any other social media platform you use. You can import and export directly to any other platform like YouTube, Facebook, or maybe Instagram. You can upload directly from LinkedIn, from that's Klippyo. You can create squared video, vertical video, caption video, mimi video, and compilation videos and more. All this in a single app without recording a single footage. They have integrated into their system Shutterstock. So if you know Shutterstock, if you have Klippyo, you get access to Shutterstock for free. So it's already out there. So if you are looking to make a purchase, the price will be going up. So this is, if you are looking to make a purchase, this is the right time to do so. Also, I have put together some bonuses for you. So I'll go over my bonuses for you to see. So if you grab Klippyo through the link below, I'll give you all these bonuses. So all these bonuses will be yours. I don't want this video to be long, but I'll try to be brief as much as possible. So software, unlocked software business in the box. So this is bonus number one. Bonus number two, Pinterest automation tool. Bonus number three, we have content marketing guide. And bonus number four, we have effective content marketing. Bonus number five, grow your profit fast with video. So all these bonus sum up to $800. So if you are getting Klippyo through my link below, you get all these bonuses for free. So let me go to Klippyo and show you how. So guys, I'm at the members area right now. So when you first log into Klippyo, this is how the dashboard is. I haven't done much with it yet, but that's from the members area. So I haven't done much with it yet. I just have these three videos here. So when you first log in, you won't have anything here. So you can either start with stock, upload your own, upload from YouTube, and upload from this app that I don't know about. We have Vizio too. So Vizio is owned by this same company, the same guys who have Klippyo, who created Klippyo. So they have option of pre-made. So this project are pre-made, so you can try with it. So I'll just start with stock. So when you come to this area, you can either type in something into this search box, or maybe try any of these options and choose from it. So we have abstract, animals and wildlife, the art, background and texture, beauty and fashion, building landmark, business and finance, education, food and drinks. We have healthcare and medical, holidays. So we can choose any of these options. So I'll just choose something like let me see, fashion. So it's loading up. So when you're on internet, you have fast internet speed, it will lay speed for you. So it's gonna download the content from shutterstock. So as fast as your internet is. So this depends on how fast your internet is. So it's going to upload it onto the Klippyo system. So it's gonna take a minute. So these are your options, what you can do with it. You can add text, add mimify, that's you can add the text above and at the bottom, on the top bar or on the bottom bar. You can either add only the top bar or the bottom bar, that's mimify, or you can either add a quote. You can even shuffle it to change the code if you don't like the code. You have abstract here. So here you can either add it to the standard size of a 8D video, or maybe Facebook, like a normal Facebook display on your computer, or maybe art size, or maybe Twitter, Instagram. You can either use landscape, squared, or vertical. So let's use something like squared or something. Yeah. Let me try. It's taking a minute to load, so let's just give it a minute to load. Some few minutes. This all depend on your internet speed. So if your internet is speeding up, it will be very fast for you. But I'm experiencing a little bit difficult here because my internet is a little bit slow today. So I'll choose this one. It's loading. I'll just pause it and come back. So it's loaded now. So you can either scale it to be smaller or even bigger. All depend on how you like it. So you can either add text to the top or the bottom. So try adding a text to see how it looks. Something like this. So you can change the text color or maybe the background color. I'll try changing the background color. Okay.
If you don't like it, you can change the text color too. Done. As you can see, it's starting to come up. So let me drag this like this. Play it to see how it looks. Perfect. So you can decide to either add the text at the bottom or the top. How nice it is. So if you are satisfied with how it looks, you can export it by clicking here, rename it. So I'll write something like beauty. Sorry. So click on export. So from here it will either take you to a place where you can export it either to YouTube or maybe just save it on your Mac or PC. If I don't want this video to be long, so it's starting to render. So if you like to get Klippyo right now, I have a link below in this description. You can go and check it out, and also I have some bonuses for you. Don't forget to click on the link below to get Klippyo. Rendering the video. So as it is rendering the video, I'll just go over my bonuses again. Klippyo through my link below. All these bonuses will be yours. I have 5 bonuses put together for anyone who get Klippyo through my link below. As you can see, bonus number 1. Unlock software in a box. Valued at 297. We have bonus number 2, complete automation tool for Pinterest, valued at 137. We have bonus number 3. We have content marketing guide, valued at 99.99. All these bonuses you get it for free if you get Klippyo through our link below. So I don't want the video to be longer, so I'll just cut it short here. So I'll go back to Klippyo to see. Okay, it's not loaded. I don't want this video to be longer, but on this page load up, you'll see a button that will tell you either to save it on your PC or Mac, or maybe upload it directly to YouTube. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.